Hi y'all, today we're gonna do valid parentheses and it's an easy problem. Basically, we're gonna use a hash map and a stack to pop off the 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 counterpart of the the closing bracket. So we want our hash map to be like this. The key is gonna be the closing and the value is gonna be the opening. Ooh. Like that. Then we want to go through each character in our string. Then we want to check if our character is in our hash map. So if see in our hash map, then we want to check if our stack is not empty, and if the value at the top of our stack equals to the value at our hash map, or if there's like the counterpart of it. So if there is, then we want to pop that. Then else, that means our stack isn't empty, or if we didn't get the counterpart, so then we just want to return false. Then else, we just want to add, or we just want to append the character to our sorry, not our hash map, our stack, like this. Then we can just we return true if our stack is empty. Else, if it's not empty, then that means we couldn't find the counterpart. So we just return else false.